The clock starts now.
Y'all nervous? This darn time.
A bunch of them have not gotten very far.
Girl, you just need to finish this. Just finish it now.
It's my pitch that I'm really concerned about. I'm still not used to talking to the camera.
I should represent COVERGIRL in a post because
1 minute left. Allure and COVERGIRL have joined forces to discover the next big beauty influencer. We brought 5 aspiring influencers to LA to Allure Incubator headquarters. They will compete in 6 challenges at their own custom-built vlogging stations with hundreds of COVERGIRL products. And the clock starts now. Only one will win the grand prize. A contract to become a member of COVERGIRL Collective, their elite group of influencers. I'm your host, Jasmine Sanders, aka Golden Barbie, and welcome to the first ever Allure Incubator in collaboration with COVERGIRL.
Hi.
Hello, beauty influencers. Welcome back. And a special congrats to Rebecca for winning the 4th challenge.
Walking into this challenge, I'm feeling pretty confident. I'm coming off of 2 wins, and as far as I'm concerned, I got this one in the bag.
I'd like to introduce you to our permanent judges, Michelle Lee, Editor-in-Chief of Allure.
Hello, hello.
And Ukanwa Ojo, Global Senior Vice President of COVERGIRL.
Hi, guys.
And today's 2 guest judges, Global Vice President, Influencer Marketing at COVERGIRL, Laura Brinker.
Hey. Hi.
And social media superstar, Dulce Candy.
Hi.
Listen and learn.
Hi, everyone.
After we choose to work with a creator, the first step is delivering the brand brief. This is when you learn more about the business objectives and also have context about what we're hoping to achieve. It's also a moment for you to convey the brand messaging, but always in your own voice. Thank you. Nice to meet you and good luck.
Ooh, hi guys, so excited. For me, it's important to keep in mind that being honest with your audience and truly loving the brand and product is key. Remember that the brand came to you for a reason, so voice your opinion, keep your personality present, and feel empowered. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you do.
Thank you.
Influencers, it's time for your next challenge.
Today is the 5th challenge. We're getting closer to the finish line. I've been at the top a few times, but I have not won yet. I'm feeling motivated, but I'm also nervous.
On each of your stations, you'll find an official COVERGIRL brief on one of today's hottest trends, metallics.
For this challenge, you are going to need to blow us away with a luxe metallic full face look and tutorial. Remember to teach your audience how to use COVERGIRL products for a high impact look that's worthy of winning a COVERGIRL sponsored post. Then, give us an elevator pitch on why you should have the COVERGIRL gig. The products you're expected to incorporate into your look are the Melting Pot Metallics in 12 different colors.
The clock starts now. Why they got me in the back?
We got Reed now. Y'all real quiet. Y'all gotta be nervous, huh?
Why are you intimidated?
Y'all nervous.
Not all of us think out loud.
Y'all, damn.
At this point, I'm finding my stride, and I'm super focused, and I'm ready to win.
My plan is to flatter my natural eye color with a warm, smoky eye. I'm nervous to see what they say.
It wouldn't be me if it wasn't a cat eye look.
I love metallics, and I am just like, yes, girl, we've got this.
I do not use metallics. I have no idea what look I'm gonna create, so I don't think I have this.
Y'all, this is risky. I decided for this challenge to do what I wanted to do a few challenges ago and throw some sequin on my eyelids.
You have 20 minutes.
Oh, well, okay.
Holy heck.
Y'all pray for me, okay?
I'm praying for me right now. I'll get
I'm
you in
praying
a
for
second.
myself.
Oh, I could have executed this so much better, but I ain't got time.
I'm a little worried for Ivy because she had only really done the base. A bunch of them have not gotten very far.
This will accentuate my eye bags, but in a sexy way.
It's actually my favorite shade.
I should represent COVERGIRL in a post because
1 minute left.
I think like
I, like CoverGirl, believe in beauty and expression, and so I'm feeling pretty good about how I look, specifically the brow. But it's my pitch that I'm really concerned about. Still not used to talking to the camera.
Time's up.
Excellent.
It's okay, grapevines think alike.
I guess so, huh?
You have 30 minutes to edit your tutorials.
Yes, girl.
Time's up. Put your phones down and we will take a look at your tutorials.
How'd you do?
I think okay. I'm not sure.
I'm pretty nervous.
I'm gonna use some CoverGirl products to transform myself.
I mean, that lip looks beautiful on her.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, it looks gorgeous.
Very wearable.
Very wearable.
I should win a CoverGirl sponsored post because I am all about creativity, all about beauty, and all about expression.
It's on message for CoverGirl.
Yeah, I mean, she always brings it with the technique.
I'm going to be pulling the shadow a little bit further in, closer to the nose, just to create a bit of a contour.
She always does a really good job of showcasing the products.
Yeah.
I feel like her eye reads very similar to one we've seen before.
Yes. I'm inspired by some wild elements, but I still like to make things flattering for myself and others and give good tips that can help you.
That's a good pitch at the end. Yeah. She had thought about it. It was well articulated.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a fun metallic look.
I'm excited to see what she does. She was a little nervous when we told her.
If you really want to amp up your metallic shadows and take them there, make sure to wet your brush with a little bit of setting spray, and for that I'm just using the CoverGirl Look Lock Up Setting Mist.
Nice little tip.
Nice tip. She comes across as very confident, like she knows exactly what she's
Now
doing.
that we have the clues, a really beautiful cover.
That's gorgeous.
I'm just going to use the tip just like a beauty blender.
Pretty.
Love it. Not only am I creative, but I also desire to equip my followers with the techniques and just, tips and tricks to create the looks that they desire to create in order to express themselves.
She accomplished so much in that video.
Yeah, technique was amazing.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Although we missed the cat ears.
Right.
If you know me, you know I like to step out of my comfort zone and try really different things.
I like the idea that she brings a different technique to her signature cat eye all the time.
Yeah, that's fair.
We're going to be doing black lips. So
Those eyes are amazing.
Really stunning.
Wow. Yeah.
I wish something was a little bit more toned down.
Yeah.
The strong eyebrows, the strong eyes, the strong lip.
edgy looks should always be very polished.
Like that she's
I like
cleaning
that.
up.
Yeah, she's cleaning up.
They heard us. That's so cute.
I love her.
I want to represent confidence and creativity in anybody that watches my videos.
It's beautiful.
Love it.
Cute.
Yeah.
Hey guys. I'm going to show you how to achieve this eye first. I'm going to take some chunky glitter and put it on my eye.
Very similar look to Tanya.
Yes.
Oh, I look like a gay tan man.
Love the personality.
Oh.
He makes me want to go check out those products.
Yeah.
I know.
I think I should win this CoverGirl sponsor post because not only do people listen to me, but I listen to people.
He's definitely authentically himself.
Yeah, absolutely.
And very, very engaging.
Influencers, I love what you brought to the table. Now we're going to give you each some feedback based on the tutorial you presented. Rebecca, we were very impressed by the message in your tutorial, and your finished look is beautiful and wearable. However, we were missing those teachable moments in your tutorial that would have made the look even more accessible to the audience.
Bethany, your tutorial was full of helpful tips, and we love your take on metallic eye makeup. Your pitch was very relatable and true to your brand. Although, going into the final challenge, we want to see you really broaden your range of color choices, especially on your eyes.
Thank you.
Ivy, you surprised us with your refreshing color choice today. Your tutorial delivery was breezy, informative, and so easy to watch. But make sure to always push your creativity. We have a feeling there's more of it to show.
Thank you. Tanya, your take of a metallic cat eye dazzled us. You were true to your brand. We also love the technique on your lips, really nice and clean and bold.
Kenneth, your videos are truly a joy to watch. They are so entertaining. Also, the way you walked your fans through how to apply the chunky glitter was impressive.
This was a really tough one to judge. We talked about it a lot. There were 3 of you that we wanted to make sure that we celebrated. It was Kenneth, Tanya, and Ivy.
Thank you. And the winner of the Heavy Metal Challenge, who will win an official CoverGirl sponsored post, is... Ivy. Come here. Thank you. Beautiful. So beautiful.
We loved your look so much that I'm actually gonna wear your look tomorrow.
Thank you.
And we thought your video was so perfect. We are just gonna sponsor it just the way it is. It was so well done. Congratulations.
I can tell, but I'm a little excited. Oh my gosh!
I'm so excited. Like, me, this Ivy right here, the one right here with the braids, that's me. Me, I want it. What?
Okay, influencers, we'll see you back at Allure Incubator. Have a great night.
Good night.
Good night.
I've been in the top consistently. Like, they keep telling me, Kenneth, we love your look, but you don't win. Going into the finals challenge is still anyone's game. This isn't over. It doesn't matter how many times someone has won or anything. We all still have an equal playing field. You're going to be in for a surprise.
Are you ready for this?
I can't believe it's almost over. One more challenge, and we find out who wins.
The winner of the first ever Allure Incubator in collaboration with CoverGirl is...